Alright, so I ordered a fruit box and got a PinkGlow Pineapple for free, and apparently it came with a certificate of authenticity, so you know it's legit.
Watch it be like that red dragon fruit that isn't red in the middle.
Oh boy. No, it's just got a certificate. It's gotta be real. Slice them up.
Wow, I'm horrible at this. I'm so bad at
Did
this.
you get it at an angle?
I did, like
so
a
good.
dumbass.
See, it's pink.
She's pink.
And apparently they spent...
The brand. I didn't think it was like actual.
No, it's actually pink. They spent like, I guess, decades developing this.
It's kind of weird.
And that's why they have a certificate of authenticity.
Yeah.
I mean, I think you'd figure if it wasn't a real PinkGlow Pineapple if you opened it and it wasn't pink.
Maybe there's people trying to fake it.
Just like injecting pink dye.
You never know. I'm probably doing this so wrong.
No, you're doing good. Yeah, I'm getting nervous. You're doing good.
Oh, I see what's going on. It's just coring it. Oh, it's getting a lot of juice.
Yo, do we still have ginger ale?
Ooh, that'd be good. It's probably not in the fridge.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Want some leaf?
Alright, we're going in. So it tastes like pineapple.
Yep.
It's very crisp.
It's good pineapple.
That's good pineapple.
It feels less acidic.
Part of it's got to be because it's sent direct from the grower, I would imagine, instead of going to a distributor and then to a store. So it's not sitting around in a refrigerator or on the sales floor.
Floor food.
So this is more fresh. It's actually really good. This is probably the best pineapple I've ever had.
Now, for me to be a bastard.
And it was sitting in a box.
So now we're adding soda to the pineapple shell.
You can hate me or you can join me. Either or, I will enjoy myself.
Seems like it's good. Is that Mountain Dew?
No, it's just, you know, H-E-B.
Twist. Okay. Lemon
It's
lime.
Sprite. It's store brand.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, one more piece. Very good.